I thought LivePortrait AI was going to be another viral AI gimmick. Upload a photo, watch it move, share it on social media, end of story. But after spending a few hours testing it, I realized I was looking at it the wrong way. This isn't just an app that makes faces blink, it can actually turn a still image into a surprisingly natural talking video. So I decided to push it a little harder. I tested an old portrait, a business headshot, a cartoon character, even an AI generated image. The first result honestly made me pause. The lip movements matched the speech better than I expected. The facial expressions looked smooth. Even the small head movements felt surprisingly realistic. Of course, it wasn't perfect. A few generations looked a little unnatural, but when it worked really well. Here's what nobody tells you. The quality depends heavily on the photo you upload. A sharp, front-facing image with good lighting produced much better results than a blurry or low-resolution picture. That isn't a limitation of LivePortrait AI. It's just how AI animation works. Good input creates better output. The second thing I noticed was a number of practical uses. Content creators can build AI presenters. Businesses can make product explainers without recording new videos. Freelancers can create client demos. Agencies can produce social media content faster. Even educators can bring historical figures or illustrated characters to life. That's much more interesting than simply making photos talk. Now, can LivePortrait AI replace a full AI avatar platform? Not really. It isn't designed for that. What it does exceptionally well is animate existing images quickly without needing cameras, actors, or expensive production. And honestly, that's a huge advantage. My final opinion, if you're expecting Hollywood quality digital humans from every photo, you'll probably be disappointed. But if your goal is to create realistic talking portraits for YouTube, marketing, education, or social media, LivePortrait AI is one of the most impressive tools I've tested recently. It doesn't replace creativity. It simply gives your existing images a voice. And in today's AI world, that's a much bigger feature than it sounds. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.